यस।
साइंस के ग्रुप का नाम
हाँ
मैम केजी थी ना मैम, कल के क्लास का मैम, उसमें क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं था।
हाँ, आज होगा ना बेटा, आज कुछ होगा फिर कल होगा,
ओके मैम,
ऐसे होगा।
मैम ऐसे पूरा हो जाएगा।
हाँ, पूरा हो जाएगा। आज हाफ क्वेश्चन जो है आज होगा।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, whoever have raised your hand, wait for I finish all the question answer, discuss all the question answer, then after you will get chance, you will get time for asking anything. Ankur,
Yes ma'am.
what is matter?
Ma'am, I have a question that when the pollen grains fall on the stigma, ma'am, this happens from a period of time or from the wind?
It happened for the period of time. When the pollen grain become matured, it transferred to a stigma anyhow. Anyhow means itself, अपने आप, अगर if the air move, then the anther lobe also move, stamen move, and when the movement takes place, pollen grain automatically fall on the stigma, and then after it started growing in length, and it reaches to the ovary till it get the ovules, and then the fertilization takes place. Then the pollen grain fuse with the ovule, and after fertilization ovule form seed. And another way, like the insect, if someone some insect like suppose that ki ant goes to that flower for getting nectar, then some of the pollen grain stick to the body of the insect, body of the ant, and when it goes to the other flower of same species, एक ही स्पीसीज का है ना, when the ant go to the another flower, then the pollen grain fall on the stigma of the another flower of the same species, then the pollination takes place. This type of pollination is known as cross pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another to a stigma of another flower. Transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower is known as cross pollination. And after this pollination, again pollen grain started growing in length, and when it reaches to the ovary, it fuses with ovules. When the fusion takes place, after fusion, ovule get converted into seed, and fruit started growing in size, and it become mature. Sometimes fruit become fleshy, sometimes fleshy like the guava and the apple and the brinjal, and sometimes it become juicy, fibrous and fleshy and juicy like the mango. Sometimes it become fibrous like in the coconut. You know, a fruit of the coconut is fibrous, and this fiber is used for making the rope, mat, etc. And we eat the seed of the coconut. We do not eat the fruit. It is another thing that we say the fruit of coconut, है ना. हम लोग कहते हैं कि हम लोग नारियल फल खाएंगे. एक्चुअली वी ईट द सीड ऑफ द कोकोनट, है ना. एंड fruit of the coconut is fibrous, fiber like a structure, and this fiber is removed and it is collected for making the rope, mattress and for other purpose. So it
Am I at rest?
Ankur, Anand, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of you wait for the question answer finished, है ना. Let me finish the question answer and then after I will give you chance for asking the question. Just wait till I finish the question answer. E4. How is taproot different from fibrous root? Give one example of each type. So in the case of taproot, from the base of a stem one single root come out, and this single root wider just behind the stem and it is tapered towards the ground, and many others thinner root come out from the main root. In that fibrous root, what happened at the base of a stem bunch of root come out, है ना. रूट का पूरा एक गुच्छा एक साथ आता है, तो इट इज fibrous root system, different from fibrous root system. And for writing in your copy, it is better to mark in the book. Just turn out page 124. 124 and last paragraph. Last paragraph, taproot system. In the in a number of plant, it is observed that when a seed germinate, so from where you will write? From when a seed germinate, कहाँ से अंडरलाइन करोगे? From when a seed germinate